Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in tune, whether it's an acoustic or electric model. You'll also want a capo if the song requires it, and a reliable tuner. Having tablature, or tabs, readily available will be your map to mastering the iconic melodies from the game. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Now, let's find those epic tunes. Many websites offer free, accurate guitar tablature for Skyrim's soundtrack. Start with well-known pieces such as the Dragonborn theme or Davakian. Once you have your tabs, begin practicing each section very slowly. Focus on precision over speed, gradually increasing your tempo as your fingers become more familiar with the notes. To truly bring Skyrim's music to life, focus on essential guitar techniques. Develop strong fingerpicking skills and ensure your chord transitions are smooth. A metronome is your best friend for improving rhythm and timing, helping you stay consistent. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice every day. Consistency is key to seeing significant improvement in your playing. Ready to take your Skyrim guitar playing to the next level? Experiment with various guitar tones and effects to capture the game's atmospheric depth. You might even explore learning more complex, full orchestral arrangements for a richer sound. Don't forget to record your practice sessions and performances. Sharing your progress with fellow enthusiasts can be incredibly motivating and rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.